PBTLs or PBLTs. Yeah. Partridge, bacon, lettuce, tomato. Hold the tomato and lettuce. Quick PBLTs. I got my bird meat all cut up. I even do a little checker pattern so that when I'm putting the spices on, it gets right down into the meat. Just going to do a quick one. This is, what is this? Lemon herb. Throw some pepper on there. Get it all inside it. Salt. The salt. What's this? Roasted
garlic and pepper.
This will probably all wash off the mat. There we go.
Where can you find this stuff?
At the grocery store. Whoa. Oh, shucks. The whole bag blew apart. These are panko breadcrumbs. I need to find a new bag for that. Later. I made a mess. Imagine that. I stepping in breadcrumbs. Well, since I gotta clean up really good anyhow. Dip it in farm eggs. These are farm eggs that somebody gave somebody in this household. Some little boy on the bus had to come good with some eggs. Very important to keep your cooking area nice and clean. So do everything I didn't to accomplish that. Now, instead of dumping that bacon grease, we're going to just add some bird to it. The breadcrumbs. Yee, hot. I got my marble rye bread. I got a little bit of mayo under there, a little layer of bacon, some ditch chicken. We're gonna put some jalapeno cheese on it. Jalapeno cheese, a little bit of that. And because this doesn't look super healthy, I better put a vegetable on it. That's a lot of vegetable. Oh. Perfect. Those birds were walking around this morning. They're not walking around anymore, so you can't get much fresher than that unless you eat them with the feathers on it. Till next time.